We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value our business and want to show you why. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.
Hi there, I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit on how to quick maintenance your furnace. For this, you're going to need a couple things. For this, I'm going to be using a drill to remove the faceplate off of the furnace. First thing you want to do is go to the electrical box and make sure that you shut the power off to your furnace, because there's a lot of voltage going on in there and you want to make sure that that's down so you don't have an accident.